So guys, you are looking for how to uninstall or delete permanently your Instagram. It's very simple. First of all, you need to open any browser. I'm going with Google Chrome. You can open any browser, does not matter, Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, etc. After that, just search here in the search bar, just type here Instagram. Now in the Instagram, I'll show you both methods, the temporary and the permanent deleting account. Now just click on your image and then go into the profile. Now here you need to click on the this setting options icon. Sorry, first you need to go here, edit profile. Now here in the end, in the bottom, you can see here temporarily disable my account. So you can disable your account temporarily, so whenever you want to get back. Okay, now let's disable it permanently. So for that you need to click on your image icon and then go into the settings, sorry, profile. Now click on the setting icon and now find here the privacy and security. Now scroll down a bit and you will get the option privacy and security help support. Just click on the support. Now once you here, you need to scroll down and click on the help. Now what kind of help you need, so I'm going here, help center. Now on the left side you can see here manage your account. Now in the manage account section you can find the delete your account, so just click on it. Now how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account, how do I delete my Instagram account, how do I access or review my data on Instagram. So how do I delete my Instagram account, just click on it. And now there is a lot of options. Temporarily options is here, you need to delete your account, so here you can see delete your account, just click on it. Now why do you want to delete Windows Fixer, there's my actually account name, so just click here, just find your exact reason. For example, I'm going with this privacy concern. Now there are a lot of ways you can, if you want. Otherwise just type here your exact password and then delete Windows Fixer account. Just click on this button and your account will be deleted. I hope this video helpful for you. Now hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just comment below. Have a good day. Bye.